what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Like, well, I can't believe it. I can't believe it that we've actually left 2020 and we are now in 2021. Hope you guys enjoyed your new year. Hope you flexed. Hope you hope you catch cruise that day. Okay, guys. So today we're going to be doing banga soup and starch. We're going to be doing Nigerian banga soup and starch. In case you don't know what banga soup is, it's a local dish that has been prepared by the Delta and the Edo people in Nigeria. So I actually wanted to make a natural hair video, but my mom made a fuss about how she has been craving banga and starch. So that's why I was like, okay, no problem. If you want to eat banga and starch, no problem. So it's today that we'll know if I have been taking lessons from this woman. So we'll know today. Anyway, guys, before I leave, I want to give a very big shout out to Davido Farms. This farm is owned by my big mommy. It is located in Lagos. They really came through for me. They brought my catfish, my dried catfish, all the way from Lagos. So Lagos people, if you are looking for dried fish plug, they make chicken, fish, in fact, just any poultry thing you want, they have it for you. I'm going to be putting the numbers below, so you guys please patronize them if you're in Lagos. If you're also in any part of Nigeria, they can literally deliver it for you. Okay guys, with that aside, we're going to step into this video right now because we don't have time for playing stuff. But before we step into this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop a comment below. Make sure you drop a comment below, and do not forget to turn on your post notification. If you don't know what a post notification is, it's a little bell close to the subscribing button that gives you the power to know when I drop a video. So you get a notification immediately Phayte Effects drops a new video. So please guys, turn on your post notification. I'm also going to be giving a post notification shout out in every video that I'm going to be making. And how will I know if you turn on your post notification? If you are the first to drop a comment. So drop your post notification. I'm going to be giving a shout out to the people that comment first. So guys, let's not talk too much. As a foodie, I can't wait to get started. I can't wait for you guys to see the process of doing banga soup and starch. So let's get straight into this video. I love you guys, so let's do this. Whoop.
So guys, the first thing we're going to do is wash our banga. Please, you need to wash it very well. After washing it, we're going to put it in a pot. Then we're going to put water inside, the water that we're going to use to boil it. So guys, as you can see, the banga is strong. To know if your banga is done, it has to be really soft. So we're just going to put water inside, leave it to boil while we do the remaining stuff. So right now I am going to chop my PALMOIL because that's literally my secret but not so secret ingredients. I love PALMOIL. Wahala for who no like PALMOIL because I love it. So after chopping my PALMOIL, I'm going to chop my scent leaf. You can't do banga without scent leaf. So yep, this is my chopping skills. Guys, this is the dried fresh fish that I got from Davido Farms. I told you people that there's catfish and there's catfish. Oh, hey. Our banga is all ready and set. So now it's time for us to pound our banga. Beats are on fire. So guys, while pounding your banga, you just want to be pounding it small. You don't want to break the palm kernel inside though. So be pounding it small. Don't do as if you are fighting with somebody. So after pounding your banga very well, it's time for us to put water inside. I'm going to be using hot water. After that, I'm going to be using an iron spoon to just be removing the banga, the ones below, so that I can pound it more. You understand? We need to extract that banga juice. I'm joking. We need to extract that banga oil because that's really the main thing. So after pounding our banga, it is time for us to do the real work. We're going to be extracting the banga oil. So I have a pot, a sieve, and I just took part of the banga that I was pounding earlier. I'm going to be using a warm water and my hand. So it's just really a simple process. You just put your pounded banga on top of your sieve, then you start pressing it.
These beats are on fire.
This is really very messy, but it is very worth it. So guys, as you can see, I just washed my banga once and that is the water I got. That's the banga oil I got. So I'm going to be washing it again, and you really have to be careful because you don't want your banga to be very watery. So you just have to put little amount of warm water. I forgot to tell you people, make sure you wash your hands, oh please. Don't go and use dirty hands to go and cook your banga, oh. So guys, as you can see, we've extracted the banga oil, and I have a sieve and a bowl. See the way my kitchen is messy, don't worry, I'll soon clean it. So I want to sieve my banga because there are so many things underneath the banga that you don't want to know. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys what will be under my banga. Can you see how messy this thing is? You have to be cleaning your kitchen. You really have to clean your kitchen. So guys, see palm kernel, broken palm kernel underneath the banga. Just imagine somebody choose this one. So my kitchen is clean, neat. I have a fresh pot, and I'm just going to be putting my banga inside, but I still want to I don't want to put it down. So I just want to look at it to see if there will be palm kernel underneath. Something is telling me that there will be palm kernel underneath. Let's see. Okay, there was a little palm kernel underneath, so thank God I didn't put it down. Our banga is set and ready to be transferred to the fire. Yes, so we have arrived finally on the fire. So we're going to leave it to boil while we take care of other stuff. As you can see, we have our goat meat, and I'm going to just season it. After seasoning it, I'm going to stir a little bit, and after stirring a little bit, I'm going to just flex because why not? We need to have fun. Our goat meat is ready. Our snail is also on the fire. Shout out to the meat seller, my beautiful auntie Debbie. Thank you for coming through with this beautiful snail. So guys, over here I have 3 fishes. This one is from Debido Farms, the one I showed you guys earlier. This is your dried fish, your dried catfish. This is your EBERAIRE. I don't know if I pronounced it well, but this is your EBERAIRE from Benin City. I love this fish, I swear. Like when it soaks into whatever you put it inside there, it's just something else. And this is your stockfish. This is totally optional, but I love stockfish, so that's what I'm going to put. I might not put this much though, and I might just put a little bit, you know. Guys, over here I have my scent leaf, the one I was chopping earlier, and I have IYENITAN. That's what the Benin's call it, IYENITAN, and it means mother of crayfish. So this is the bigger version of the normal crayfish. It looks like a shrimp, but it's not a shrimp. I love eating it, gosh. Oh my goodness. And for our secret but not so secret ingredients, POMO. If you don't love POMO, you don't know what you're missing. I literally cannot cook any soup without these beautiful things. So yeah, Guys, I'm going to be putting everything inside my boiled meats. As you can see, I put my POMO, my crayfish, my dried fish, my EBERAIRE, IYENITAN, everything. In fact, I'm just going to put everything inside and allow it to boil a little bit. I'm going to add a little water to it. I'm going to stir it a little bit and I'm going to cover it while I cut my fish. So I'm going to add my fish right now inside and I'm going to leave it to boil. After everything was ready, after my orishishi was ready, I decided to remove it from the water and just put it in a bowl because I didn't want to just turn all the water inside my banga like that. I did not want my banga to be very light. I did not know how my banga was, so I just decided to remove my rishi and yeah. So guys, time for us to turn everything into our banga, our orishi, then our scent leaf. Yes, I know you can see my EBERAIRE with this stick. I actually forgot to remove the stick, but I later did. I would not want somebody to swallow that, God forbid. So guys, we're going to be stirring it. After stirring it, we're going to put our snail, we're going to put our scent leaf, yep, and we're going to stir again. So I actually have here pounded fresh pepper, crayfish and onions, and I'm going to be putting it inside our banga. So guys, let's not forget our banga spices. And I have my Maggi and I have my salt, and I'm going to be putting everything inside. It's time to make our starch. This is the main thing. So right now I'm going to put my starch inside my frying pan. Yep, I'm going to put my starch inside my pan. Then I'm going to put palm oil. I always use 1 spoon sharp. I don't know how people measure their own, but I always use 1 spoon of palm oil. I'm going to be adding water inside. I'm going to be using my beba to stir it. It's Donny stick, but me I call it beba because that's how Benin's call it. So I'm going to be using my beba to turn it. Then I'm going to carry it to the fire. So with starch, you have to stir it continuously. You have to stir it continuously. In fact, don't even leave it for anything. I literally had to stop recording at some point so that I don't end up spoiling it. Our starch is almost ready. Our starch is almost ready. Can you see how I was struggling to just show you guys how I'm turning it? Anyway, our starch is ready. Our banga is also ready, so get ready to see the masterpiece. Oh my god, this is such a beauty. Wahala for uno like starch and banga. Hey god,
These beats are on fire.
oh yeah, I'm coming. Let me cut it and feed you people. So let me cut it. Going to dip it inside the soup. Do you guys want snail? Have it. Oh yeah, open your mouth so that I can feed y'all.
To make banga soup is not easy. Do you guys see the stress I had to go through? But it was worth it. So you guys really need to try this soup. You need to try it. In case if you try this soup, please make sure you send me a screenshot at Phayte official on Instagram or you can also send it to my business page at Phayte Effects on Instagram. Do not forget to follow. Please follow me, help the ministry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be expecting fresh, crazy, entertaining content from this page. This Phayte Effects is going to be giving you guys content. Oh, you guys, you have no idea. So I'm going to be giving you content upon content upon content. Okay. Okay guys, do not forget to subscribe if you have not. What are you waiting for to subscribe? Please make sure you do that. Okay, subscribe if you've not. Like, comment below, and do not forget to turn on your post notification. I can't wait to start saying everybody's names, you know. Turn on your post notification, be the first to comment on Phayte Effects videos and win a chance to have a shout out. Each and every single one of you. You guys know the drill. I will see you guys next time. Don't miss me too much. I love you. And have an amazing, prosperous, and a cruise-filled new year. I love you guys. See you guys next time. Oh my God, mommy. Oh. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. Happy Mommy, I don't know what to do. I would have to say that. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.